Hi, welcome to the Elias channel where we spread happiness on every dining moment. Today we're going to be setting up a formal dining table without having a dinner table. Yes, that's right. I don't have a dining table, but yet I can still set up this with any table that you have at home. So here is a table that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to spread a tablecloth on it, preferably white or any color theme you want to go for, but white is easier to work with and manipulate with other colors. Then you're going to set in a table runner to divide the table just for an aesthetic look, and you just divide the table to part. You can use a scarf for this. If you're a Muslimah, you have scarves in your house, it is nice. Then you place your placemat on the table. It helps to catch all your food leftovers if you're not being careful and all that. So I got this flower and it's nice, it's matching my clothes for the day, and I just feel it is a perfect moment to use. So you can use any flower or any color theme of your choice. And that's my saint candles setting up, just to give that ambience that will make everywhere look lovely. So depending on the course of meals you are serving, if you are making a 3 course meal, then you need to use the complete set as used in the video. But if you're not setting up to that, you can always use just two or just one plate of that to set your table. So now we are going to be folding a design for our with this our table napkin or surface napkin, and we're going to use this to hold our cutlery together just for the aesthetic look of it. So just watch how I do that in a video to divide. You can always create a different design of choice. You can come up with any creative one by yourself. You can just go for something simple like I did in the video, just for the aesthetic look of it. And if you watch, I'm theming this table almost white, gold, and a touch of lavender. So yes, that is just the way it is. I'm going to do the second one like that because you need one for each side of the table. I hope you understand that. So, and this thing comes quickly, like it comes pretty quick together. It didn't really take me up to 15 minutes to make this. So you can always have a surprise dinner date with your partner, like in the jiffy, like unplanned. You can come up with something like that. So place that strategically beside the bowl, and then place your wine cup and your cup of water on the table. You place it slantly from the wine cup, because when you may need to take water to clean your palate before eating or tasting more flavors and all that. So you set in your cutlery into the folded napkin that we did. So we are going in like that, and you can also place that napkin on the bowl, on the last bowl of your table, just anyhow you want it. So I'm lighting up the candlelight to give the aesthetic, and I'm sprinkling some lavender essence into the flower to give the aesthetic smell. Like everywhere has to be calming, the ambience has to be set, the look has to be giving, and that's just it. So fill it up with some juice because we don't drink alcohol, yeah, and that's just the way it looks. Tell me if this setting is giving for you. Like, tell me your partner will come in and not love this. I hope you will try this. Thank you for watching. Bye.